Good evening, viewers. My dear valued viewers. This video is about the post-market analysis for 22nd September 2021. I have marked the levels here. When you see these red lines, I have marked before the pre-market analysis and before the market opens. And let's see what happened, whether my levels are approved by the market, what happened throughout the day will be discussed here. See, in Nifty I have marked these red lines. So what I have told in that pre-market analysis, you can watch that video. I am going to give the link in the description so that you can understand more and you can have much better clarity. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Now let's see what are the levels I have marked. These red lines, okay, this red line and this red line I have marked. Uh, any given day I have three levels, like when it is open gap up, when it is opening gap down, when it is opening flat, because there are three different ways an index or stock can open. Like, is it true or not? Whether it can open in the gap up or gap down, or it may open in the flat area. So the system is so powerful that it gives you signal in any market condition, in any market opening, like up, down, or opening at the flat area. Now see here, it opens at the flat area. Why I am saying that it opens at the flat area? Because this is opened at this area. Okay, see this area, which is a small gap between previous day's close, but when we say it opens in the gap down, in the sense when it opens below the previous day low. For example, it opens here. See, it opens here and came till here and again took some support, goes till here and closes here. Now, if at all it opens here below this area, below this previous day low, we call it as gap down opening. But it is not gap down opening, it is opened really flat. Now, what we should do on these days? Tell me what we should do on these days. If you watch my videos priorly, you may have told that I have made a risk reward indicator here. So I risk this small amount, I gain this big amount. Why I have made this one here? Why I don't make this till here? What is the reason behind it? Think of it for a moment and ask yourself why I have done this. Whatever I do in the market, I have a reason for everything. Okay, let me tell you what is the reason for this. The in CPR is a wide CPR. Usually wide CPRs indicate sideways days. When it is sideways, there is higher chances to the price to take support at the previous day low. Okay, that is why I only aim for previous day low or 1:2 risk reward. Let's move this aside to explain very clearly. See here how beautifully the CPR is respecting the price. It tries to break in this candle, but it could not break it. We have a great 1:2 risk reward in the trade. This is why I always told you, when I mark the pre-market levels, please mark these in your charts and see the magic. At least one level will be respected every single day. Sometimes there will be 2, 3 levels will be respected in the market. Okay, if you like this analysis and you want to do it all yourself, you can attend my webinars. And I'm going to conduct a free webinar on the CPR basic awareness, because I can't ask anyone to come to me to buy my paid course, because when you come to my free live webinar, you're going to get great insights about the CPR. Once you understand that this CPR will help you in your trading career, will give you great profits. You can attend my paid webinar. Otherwise, it is not so good idea to take directly the paid webinars from me or anybody else. First, you have to have the big picture of the indicator. Then you should gain some trust on that indicator and the mentor you are following. Then you have to pay the money. This is the right process. Even though me or someone else, you have to have some research in that indicator, research in their videos. If you feel like your gut feeling is like this is a genuine YouTube channel, or this is a genuine person who is teaching this, or this is a right indicator that I want in my trading career. If you feel like this from your gut, you have to attend the free webinar. Then you can decide whether it is a reliable indicator or not, whether you could pay some money for this or not. And see here how it took support here, and again it goes still here and made a rejection here. Even though it wants to break the CPR, the traders who they trade the CPR indicator knows that during the wide CPRs there are higher chances to the price to stay sideways. So see again at this point, this is the indication we can re-enter in the market because there is a rejection with the 20 EMA, and again it goes till the previous day low. I hope you understand this clearly. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. I'm here 24 by 7 to answer your queries because I would love to explain these things to the subscribers or the knowledge seekers because this is my ikigai. Ikigai is something that you love to do every single morning when you wake up. You really like to do something. This is my ikigai, and I would love to explain the doubts to the subscribers. I'm not saying that I don't force anybody to take my paid course, but I would love to explain the doubts to them. And let's do the analysis in the Nifty here. Now I have three levels in the Nifty, and the Nifty also opened really flat. It opens here. Let me explain this. Nifty opens at this point, okay, at this point, and goes till here and again closes here. Okay, this is how the first 5 minute candle has formed. But you can during the live market, I have to tell this to you. During the live market, when it is this candle is making forming, the first 5 minute candle is like a bearish candle like this. Okay, then it took support at the 20 MA and it became like a bullish candle. That's why this is the reason why I don't enter before the close of the first 5 minute candle. Why? Because it may show you the bearishness in the first 1 or 2 minutes, but suddenly it found some support. You don't know about that support. For example, there is some support here with the RSI indicator. We don't know about complete information about RSI, but it took support here and made a bullish candle here. What happens here is at that point in the next candle, those who trade have the opinion of bullish day because no all traders don't use the CPR. They have their own indicators. If they have the bullish view in the market, those enter the market because this is a big bullish candle. Now what happened? The next candle is the big bearish candle and your view is 100% correct. But when you entering at the first 5 minute candle without thinking, without accepting that this candle should close and you enter the market, it triggers your stop losses and again goes in your direction. The lesson here is please do not enter in the first 5 minute candle. Once your view is bearish and it is making bullish candle, don't panic. Just give the market some time and see whether it is giving a bearish candle. Once it gives you the bearish candle, then only you have to enter. Uh, in also that you have to consider the risk reward. Okay, for example, risk reward in the sense I always risk 20 points in Nifty and aim for minimum 40 points. If you see this candle, this is a big candle, and if I enter here, my stop loss will be very high. That means maybe around 30 points. But I'm not interested to give that much stop loss because anything can happen in the market. If you are even using hundreds of indicators in your chart, there is no probability that every trade you are taking is a successful trade. So that's why you have to insure your money with the stop loss. When you insure your money, the big capital with the stop loss, only small amount will be lost, and you are here in the markets for about 6 months. When you don't put your stop losses or insure yourself against the market, there are times that all your capital will blown out, and you keep on praying to the god to come back to your break even. Then you will without thinking I'm going to get out of the market when it comes to break even. Sometimes when it even comes to the break even, but we think that maybe some more 10 points profit I'm going to have, then what happens again? You are going to be in red. This is not how to operate the markets. To operate the markets in the systematic way, without pressure, without anxiety, without fear. When this state comes to you in your mind and your heart, then you will be profitable. Trust me, you will be profitable. Now, when you listen to the words of the experienced traders, they always say that stay self disciplined in the markets. The meaning for that is when you stay disciplined in the sense you do your pre-market analysis. Caution here is you have to do your pre-market analysis once you learn the system completely. Okay? When you are taking chunks and bits of different strategies and combining them here without any learning, that would be a disaster. What you have to do is, even it is CPR or RSA or any other indicator, you have to learn it first from a book or from a mentor. Then apply the things that have told in the book or the mentor, and you would understand why they are stressing some important points to you. Then only you can experiment in the market. Okay, now I always see the risk reward. This is one of my core principle while doing the trading. Now here also we have the profits here. And see here I put here the target is the S1. Why? Because this is an average CPR in the Nifty. Now the great part here is the great part here is in the pre-market analysis I have told that I am not interested to take the trade in the bearish hue at this red line even though I have marked. Why? Because this pink region is the virgin CPR from where? Yeah, from here. On 8th September, we have the Virgin CPR. I know that when price comes here, there are higher chances to bounce back the price. So I'm not interested to take the trade even though this level has broken down or it opens gap down. So this is happened in the market. The Virgin CPR is taking as the strong support here, and it reaches the today's CPR. Whenever the price is taking support at some virgin CPR, you have to aim for the today's CPR. Okay, even though this virgin CPR at this area, you have to take your profits at the CPR. If you want to know the complete information about it, you can watch this virgin CPR video I have posted on year or 1.5 years back, 11 months back. See, option sellers set up the power of virgin CPR with proof in my YouTube channel 1111 Make Money. Okay, this is my YouTube channel 1111 Make Money. When you come to this page, you're going to get lots of videos here. In that, option seller setup, the power of Virgin CPR with proof. First watch this, then I have made the exclusive Virgin CPR setup video here. Okay, if you watch these two videos, you are going to get the complete information about the Virgin CPR. Now let's go to the charts here, and I'm going to give you the links in the description, no worry. Okay, watch the Virgin CPR video here. Now the trend in Bank Nifty is making the changes in the Nifty. That means Bank Nifty is the leading indicator here. The movements happening at the Bank Nifty could impact more in the Nifty. Okay, that's why again there is a movement here which gives a good risk reward at 20 MA. 20M is going to be a great advantage to you when you learn the complete information about it. Once it closes below this 20 MA, the traders who want to take the trade at this CPR in the morning, if they have missed, they wait to take the price at the 20 MA and they are in the profits. Now, I extremely stress that please watch the Virgin CPR video so that you feel very good about the markets. Once you learn about the market, you have the right to earn from the market. Without learning, you don't have any right because if you earn something, that means you have learned something. Okay? So, first watch those videos or you can attend my free demo classes, even though I can give you the one-to-one clarity session if it is needed. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please stay tuned to this channel to get the pre and post market analysis every single day, and occasionally I am going to post some strategies in this channel. Thank you so much.